Guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website, and this website pay you Bitcoin Satoshi. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. And today I'm going to share with you the part 3 of the faucet where faucet pay crash. And if you like my videos, just subscribe to watch this part 3. Okay, and let's get started. Right now I'm in this website. This website pay 2 Bitcoin Satoshi every minute. And first of all, go to your faucet pay, copy your Bitcoin wallet orders from faucetpay. Just this Bitcoin wallet orders, just copy it and come in this website. Just paste your Bitcoin wallet orders in here, and after that just click login. Okay, show your two capture. First of all, solve the upper capture, then solve this capture. In here show you a verified capture. Just click it and verify it. I just pause the video after I solve in the capture and come back. After clicking verify, just tell you go to sponsor link to show you a link to you can just solve a capture. You can come back and you can easily make your 2 BTC Satoshi. Okay, this website pay you 3, but right now the Bitcoin price going up. About that, this website pay you 2 BTC. Okay, if the Bitcoin price come very down, this website pay you much more. And I just wait 50 seconds. After 50 seconds I come back. After 50 seconds just click continue, and this will go down, and just click continue again. Okay guys, now you can see this website pay me my 2 Satoshi instantly to my faucet pay. I go to my faucet pay to show you the withdrawal proof of this website. Did this website pay me or not? And you can see this website pay me instantly to my faucet pay. This is 2 Satoshi. This website pay me. Okay, thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, join yourself. And bye bye for now.